Okay, so we finished this job last week. I just want to flip this camera around. I'll show you what the floor looks like, show you what the sample looked like to see what the end result was. Okay, so this is the finished floor now. It's a very smooth floor. You can feel slight texture to it, but very smooth floor. Everything turned out really, really nice. One thing I want to point out is we did a sample for them. So there's the sample. It's about as close as you can get to a sample. So anyway, the job is done. We're out of here, everything's clean. They still have to put the cove base up, I guess, and put furniture in here. But that's it, we're done. Thanks for watching.